Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Viber not sending photos on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To fix Viber not sending photos iPhone, first you need to update Viber to the latest version. Outdated Viber app versions might have bugs that prevent sending photos. Open the App Store and see if there are any updates available for Viber. Install them if there are. Another solution is to check the Viber's permission. You need to give Viber access to your photos. To check the photos permissions, go to Settings. Here scroll down through the list of apps until you find a Viber. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you have various options. Just go to Photos and tap on it. Here make sure that Viber has full access or limited access on your photos. Make sure it is not set to none. Another solution is to make sure that you are connected to the internet. Sending photos requires a good internet connection. Check if you're on a stable Wi-Fi network. If you're using mobile data, ensure you have enough data allowance. Open your control center and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your connection. That is how to fix Viber not sending photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.